Now, let's get into the average 401k balance in your 60s. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're in your 60s and if you're ahead or behind. Okay, so the study shows that Americans in their 60s or between the ages of 60 and 69 have saved $112,500 on average for retirement. Their average retirement goal is $968,000 for the baby boomers. And I want you to keep in mind that $968,000 is just the average from the survey conducted by Northwestern Mutual. With a 4% withdrawal rate, $968,000 multiplied by 4% is $38,720 a year. That's the safe withdrawal rate according to the Trinity study. Baby boomers' retirement numbers are much lower because most of them will have started collecting their Social Security retirement benefits. And keep in mind that if you're collecting Social Security retirement or survivor's benefits and working at the same time, your benefits are reduced but not truly lost. So let me explain to you. So for example, if you were born after January 2nd, 1960, then your full retirement age for retirement insurance benefits is 67. If you work and you're at full retirement age or older, then you get to keep all of your benefits. If you're younger than full retirement age or 67, then you get limited Social Security benefits. In 2023, they're going to deduct $1 from your benefits for each $2 you earn above $21,240. If you reach full retirement age in 2023, they're going to deduct $1 from your benefits for each $3 that you earn above $56,520 until the month you reach full retirement age. There's a Social Security retirement benefit table that you should check out on their official government website. Okay, and let's go over the numbers on my FIRE calculator in their 60s, which you can download for absolutely free by visiting firesuch.com/resources. And let's assume that you are 60 years old with $112,500 invested, like the survey says. I'm also going to assume that your investments make a 7% average annual return. I'm going to put the annual expenses down here, $38,720 in this block, and then I'm going to calculate, which gives you a retirement number of $968,000. If you go to line 11, okay, right here, and of this spreadsheet, you can add your total annual Social Security retirement income on there. So let me put $24,000, okay? If you're looking to collect $2,000 a month from Social Security. If you include your Social Security, you need to have at least $368,000 invested to supplement your retirement income. Because if you have $45,000 a year from Social Security and collect 4% of $368,000, that's a total of $38,720 in retirement income. Now, let's take a look at my 401k calculator for people in their 60s. Unfortunately, if your gross income is $70,000, you're going to need to save at least 25% of your income to achieve your retirement number by the time you turn 67 years old. But this is based on your total retirement income, okay? If you're looking to collect more on Social Security, then you could theoretically live on $350,000 or $400,000 in total retirement. This is all just rough numbers. What you really need to do is to figure out your annual expenses, because if you think you can live on $40,000 a year in retirement with your mortgage paid off, $25,000 could come from Social Security, and $15,000 of that could come from your investments. If you multiply $15,000 by 25, that's $375,000 total that you're going to need invested in your 401k or other retirement vehicles. If you need $20,000 a year from your 401k investments, then multiply that by 25, and that gives you $500,000 with a 4% withdrawal rate. That makes sense so far, right? Now, I know a lot of you in your 60s watching this are becoming anxious about your retirement. You might have your parents or grandparents approaching their retirement age, and you're worried about them not reaching their retirement goals. And here's the truth. If you feel behind with your retirement, you have to increase your retirement contributions. raise your income, and eliminate your liabilities. You do not want to go into your retirement carrying a student loan, car loan, credit card debt, or mortgage debt. If you have any non-consumer debt right now, you need to prioritize paying off your debt. I have so many free resources that you can use for absolutely free by visiting firesuch.com/resources. You can use my debt payoff spreadsheet to pay off your debt fast. You can use my 401k calculator to figure out how much you need to invest every year to reach your goal, okay? And again, I need to emphasize that if you're carrying any significant debt, you'll have to prioritize that to make sure that your Social Security income is going to cover your basic expenses. You'll need to have a comprehensive and very disciplined financial plan before you retire from your 9-to-5 job. You don't need a financial advisor to tell you that you need to live below your means. You don't need to pay them $3,000 a year to tell you, oh, you got to live below your means, okay? You don't need a financial coach like me to tell you that you need to invest more to have $1.2 million invested in your 401k to retire comfortably. It really comes down to your behavior of spending. Just because you spend $60,000 a year now, it doesn't mean that you need $60,000 a year to retire. If you still need help with your finances, I encourage you to schedule a free session with me by visiting firesuch.com/coaching. This has been another beast of a video, and I hope you got a lot out of it.